What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer money from a Revolut app to your Trading 212 account, aka how to fund your Trading 212 account through Revolut. So let's get started. Now first off, you would need to open up your Trading 212 app and go over to these three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Now once you're here, you would simply just need to scroll down to the bottom and select the deposit funds option. Now from here, click on add a new card option right here. And on this slider, you would need to input the amount that you would like to transfer from Revolut to Trading 212. So I will just slide this to, let's say, 10 euros and click next right here. And on this screen here, you will be able to add your card. So if you have a Revolut account, you're by default eligible for three types of card: a physical card, a one-time card, and a virtual card. So the one-time card and the virtual card are free, so if you don't have a Revolut card active, you can just activate one of those. And from here, let's just go to our Revolut account to get our card information. So once you're in your Revolut app, you would need to go to your cards section right here in the upper right corner. And for this example, let's select our virtual card. Now this screen is probably blurred for you, so you would just need to click on show details and just simply copy paste the card information from your Revolut card to our Trading 212 app. Now once you have all your information from your Revolut card, you can just go ahead and click pay right here. Now once you click pay, you would need to verify this payment on your Revolut app, and you do this by just going to your Revolut app and clicking confirm on this screen right here. So here it says confirm your online payment for Trading 212 in the amount of 10 euros. Now from here, just go ahead and click confirm, and the amount of funds that you selected will be transferred over from your Revolut account to your Trading 212 account. So this guys how you can transfer cash from your Revolut account to your Trading 212 account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.